Soundoftristate, and today we have a 2026 Dodge Durango Hemi version. And with this new purchase that this customer did, they were concerned about the thefts on this particular vehicle. So we actually recommended Compustar alarm and remote start along with the Compustar Dashcam. So we also have the push to start disabled in this vehicle. So we'll get in and show you how it works. It is a push to start vehicle. This is the factory key for it. And normal push to start enables you just to start the car normally with the key in the vehicle. Vehicle starts and runs normal under factory conditions. So with this, we've installed a security system that when the door is open or when the alarm itself is triggered, it prevents you from starting the car, even if you have the factory key. And we'll demonstrate that right next. We're going to unlock the doors. The alarm will go off. And now we're going to try to start the car using the factory key. You will not be able to start the car even with the factory key. The only way to start the car is to disable it through the Compustar remote. Once it's disabled through the Compustar remote, you would then be able to start the car. So as I said, the Compustar system that we installed in here disables the push to start feature, basically preventing you from starting the car even with the factory key. So right now it's set for you to lock and unlock the doors with this system. If you do not use this keypad to disarm the Compustar system and you get into the car, even with the factory key, you will not be able to start the car. So we're gonna get into the car. Normally with your factory key, you would press your unlock button. The alarm will go off as we do it. Now we're trying to start the car. You cannot start the car. The only way you can start the car is you have to unlock the doors. Once you unlock the door, you'll be able to start the car. With the Compustar system, we also installed the drone XC1 system here, which is a dash cam that records the front, and it also is on the back as well. So this is going to record any activity, live stream, any activity that the user can log in and see exactly what's going on. This app, this device here works also on an app that works on the same platform as the remotes. So everything is going to be all in one. This customer will be able to lock and unlock their doors as well as see any information using the app. Hi, this is Soundoftristate again, and again we're showing you the Drone XC system. As you can see, the front camera is installed, and we have access here through the app. So in order to use the phone app, you want to make sure that the Wi-Fi is actually activated, and then we're going to test the drone app here. And this will give you real-time view as far as what's going on with the vehicle whenever you want to log in and see it. It does use 5G Wi-Fi service, 5G and Wi-Fi service. So Wi-Fi is free when you're in the car, and the 5G service is when you're away from the car. So you literally could be anywhere as long as you can make and receive a phone call to the camera. You can view what's going on with it. And so as right now, we're about to look at the front view of the camera, and this is exactly what the camera is seeing. So this is exactly what we're seeing through the front. This is live, and at the same time, it is recording audio at the same time too. So I do through front and back.